This appliance is the electric meat grinder with sausage stuffer maker and Kubbe Kit. It represents a significant upgrade for any home kitchen. Furthermore, this machine features a serious DC motor. This motor brings substantial power while maintaining low noise levels. Specifically, it boasts a maximum output of 2,800 watts, 300 watts rated power. This remarkable power translates into impressive speed. Consequently, the grinder processes between 2 and 3 kilos of meat every minute. This speed eliminates long waiting times for mincing meat. For example, preparing large meals or batch cooking is now much faster. Therefore, this electric meat grinder quickly handles the grinding process. This efficiency allows the user to focus more on the enjoyable cooking experience. This model truly makes meat preparation simple and quick. Safety and convenience were clearly priorities in the design. Notably, the anti-slip base ensures the unit remains securely locked on the counter. Additionally, the machine incorporates a locking knob for secure operation. Safety is further enhanced by built-in overload protection. Importantly, the meat grinder automatically shuts off if it senses overheating or excessive overloading. This mechanism safeguards both the user and the appliance. Moreover, a practical reverse button is included. If a clog or jam occurs, the user simply presses the reverse feature. This action quickly clears the machine. These integrated safety features ensure operation is reliable and worry-free. The functionality extends far beyond basic grinding. This kitchen grinder includes a wide array of multifunctional accessories. It ships with 2 durable cutting blades. It also features 3 stainless steel grinding plates. These plates come in 3 distinct sizes: 3 mm, 5 mm, and 7 mm. Furthermore, a complete sausage stuffing kit is provided. A Kubbe attachment is also included, adding versatility. All these pieces make it function as a meat grinder, a sausage stuffer, and a Kubbe maker. The kit is rounded out with a food pusher. Conveniently, this pusher features built-in storage for the smaller accessories. Finally, the design emphasizes both quality and maintenance. This home meat grinder features a tough, precision-crafted metal casing. This construction ensures long-lasting durability. Moreover, the casing is exceptionally easy to wipe clean. The compact and sleek white design allows it to fit neatly into any kitchen space. It certainly does not dominate the countertop. Cleaning the internal components is straightforward too. The stainless steel blades and grinding plates are conveniently dishwasher safe. However, other aluminum accessories should be hand-washed. This careful approach prevents potential oxidation and discoloration in the dishwasher. In summary, this electric grinder successfully merges high-level function with stylish, space-saving design.